All right, Mercy Girl, tell us your one-liners.
Hello. And I forgot.
Thanks.
Thanks for watching. This is a MercyGirl production.
You forgot. Put it down. We pre-loosen them with a breaker bar. They're on pretty tight. Yep, we'll put the snow tires on. Now I got the Nokian. Okay, and they're the Hakapaleta whatever 8 SUV. And then I have, what is it? The Blizzaks. That's right, I got the Blizzaks. And I'm gonna decide which one I want to put on the front, which one I put on the back. But I think I'm gonna put the Blizzaks on the front. Not sure why. I think I like the grip on those better. The Nokian, they're all right, but they got this smooth, hard rubber feel. And these Blizzaks, they got that rough, grippy feel. I'll tell you what, folks. Maybe everybody talks good about Nokian, but you can't beat a Blizzak. So we're going to put the Blizzaks on the front. Nokians on the back. Probably not a good choice, but the Nokians are almost wore out, so we want to get one last season out of them. And one thing we can see that little notch? I still got some brake pad left, and it's the same way back here. I got a little bit of brake pad left on that too, but I am getting down to the inside. Outside's a little better, so after this winter, I'm probably going to need to replace the brakes. Yep, these brakes are really good shape too. So put a little bit of fluid film on there so we don't have sticky between the wheel and that. Checked all the other parts. This strut is in good shape, not leaking, so I got replacements like I said. But we're gonna put the, what tire is this, Loretta?
Blizzak.
Blizzak. Isn't she got the prettiest haircut and the earrings and everything? Wow. I'm gonna have to go buy me a bigger baseball bat, ain't I? There you go. It's ugga-dugga snug. That's good. There you go. You just want it snug. You don't want to tighten it up yet. Just till it touches. There you go. Go all the way around. Perfect. Okay, now give it the beans. Everything you got. Push. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. There you go. All the way around. Then once you're done, go all the way around again. Make it so Dad can't get them off when he is on the highway or the flat. That's good. Now do them all just like that. There you go. My quick change artist at work. Look at that. Getting them wheel and lug nuts off. Keep going. Keep going. Here it comes. There you go. See, you can do it. Oh, quick brake inspection says the inside's wearing out, the outside is still good. Quite common for brakes on the edge. So again, we'll go the winter, and then we'll probably be looking at changing the brakes maybe. We'll check them in the spring and see what we got. But this is what you need to do when you go and check your cars out. This shock here is still good shape as far as not leaking, but I am going to replace it because it does have a fair number of miles on it. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and fluid film this thing and put it on. Get it so it don't stick. Yes, got the tires done with the help of my beautiful assistant. And she loves helping her daddy. But anyway, get a snow, so I figured why not get the snow tires on. And we go ahead and we went and put the Blizzaks on the front, Nokians on the back, like I told you. They're both rotation tires. That means you have to make sure you have them on the right spot for rotation. Otherwise, bad things happen. So anyway, we got that done. Now, one thing that you want to also pay attention to is that we interrupted by MOMOSHA trying to run me over while I'm filming in the street. Hello, Mercy Girl. Hey, we got done with the cars.
Are you want me to change the tires?
No, park right there. We already did it.
Oh.
Back to what I was saying. When you do tire rotations yourself, the thing is you got an opportunity to inspect your brakes, your shocks, all this stuff underneath there. I checked it, and guess what? Like I pointed out, I got one broken strut. That's right, driver's side strut is broken and leaking. So the brakes are in good shape, so I'm good till spring with those. But hey, when you do this yourself, you're going to find this stuff and be able to take action on it. If you take it to like a discount tire, and nothing's bad about them, but they got blinders on, folks. They're only going to rotate your tires or put new tires on, and they're going to ship you. They will not care about your suspension problems unless it's glaringly obvious. So just keep that in mind when you do this stuff, that they may not point out problems, and then you'll go back, well, why didn't you tell me? Well, they're only there to do one specific job, and that's it. They're not all in one garage. So Tires Plus, discount tires, all of them, they're just going to wipe it off and tell you, hey, have a great life. So doing it yourself, you get a chance to check those things out. But this is MACTFORDEDGE, and remember, my feet hit the floor today. I'm having a great day, and I want you to have a great day too. Band of One's got some great music, and Mercy Girl, as always, has a couple one-liners. And let's see if we can get a live one-liner from her.
What?
All right, Mercy Girl, tell us your one-liners.
Hello. I forgot.
Thanks.
Thanks for watching. This is a MercyGirl production.
You forgot. Oh well. How's Herbie treating you?
Good.
Good. You glad Dad built you a Herbie?
Yep.
Did Jeff and Dad do a good job?
Yep.
All right. Do you still yell, "Go Herbie, go" when you cross the road?
Oh yeah, I did that yesterday.
All right. That's my girl. Give me 5.
Oh.
Yeah, my hands are dirty. Oh well. Go check your sister's hands out. They're even dirtier because I made her do all the work.
Oh.
Say hi, MOMOSHA.
Hello.
Say happy Thanksgiving.
Ah, yes. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody.
And you?
Happy Thanksgiving.
All right.
Eat a lot of turkey.
And wear stretchy pants, right?
Yep.
Yes.
Especially you.
Oh, what are you trying to say? Anyway, folks, I'll put my stretchy pants on. I'll cook me a good turkey in the smoker, and we'll have a great time. Okay, what do you got to say, my wonderful daughter?
Yeah.
I know, that's not what we're here for. What is it, what you
No.
wanted to say?
Nothing really.
Nothing really? You just
No.
wanted to, you just want to photobomb me today?
Yeah.
All right, thanks.
Bye.
There's my photobomb too. Anyway, folks, you get all the bonus footage today. We're having a great day. And hey, we're working on cars, right?
Yes.
All right. And the 2019's doing you well?
Yes.
Because your Smart for 2 was put in the garage, wasn't it? She saw a snowflake and that thing went in the garage faster than a hot tamale. Anyway, thanks for watching, folks.